Oh. Whoa. Which branch? Should I put it on this one, maybe?
Yeah, that's good. I mean, I don't know how, though. We're going to have to untie it, probably.
We'll put some in once it's hanging up, okay?
I can love my birdhouse when the birds come. We can watch them from inside.
Watch, Dad. Watch, Jude.
Yes! Yes! Good job, Dad.
Thanks, buddy.
You did a good job with that birdhouse.
Well, you did a great job with this birdhouse. You made it, huh?
Yeah, because it's mine.
Hey, come here. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Come here. I'm going to pick you up. We'll put some bird seed in it. Hold this. Come here. You gotta tip that in. Here, ready? Come here, help me. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, he just moved it. Three of us make a pretty good team, except that we don't, huh?
Not in this case.
Okay, we gotta get some more.
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Need more. Need more.
That'll be good. The birds can eat that, and they'll eat all the seeds on the ground, and then we'll...
Squirrels are coming out, seeds on the ground.
I gotta say, Jude, it's quite fancy. Yeah. Stay here. What? We have to eat. The pizza.